Shopify free trial. In this video, I will show you how to get the best Shopify free trial, the best Shopify current deal right now for Shopify. What you need to do is you need to click on the link I will leave in the description, the first link, click on it, and after that it will direct you to the page of Shopify, which is this page, and after that you will get Shopify for free for 3 days, and after that you will enjoy and you will get the first month only for $1 from here, as you see. And now what you need to do is you need to insert your email right here, and after you insert your email, tap on start free trial, and after that he will direct you to the Shopify dashboard from here. And now we need to activate your current deal. Now what you need to do is to tap on select plan from here on the right down corner, and after that Shopify will provide for you multiple plans, and you need to choose only one plan. And we have the basic plan and the Shopify plan and the advanced plan and the plus plan. And for the beginners you can choose the basic, will be enough for you, but if you want another features for your Shopify store, you can read the features that each plan provide from here. As you see, read them one by one and see what suit you, and after that tap on select a plan. I will select the first one, for example, the basic plan, and from here you can pay through credit or debit card or through PayPal if you would like. I will pay through credit or debit card, and after you insert your information and your card information right here, and from here you will see $1 only. You will pay for the first 13 days, which is the first month, and after that he will charge you the full amount. And now click on subscribe and you will activate the $1 deal. And basically that's it. Don't forget to click on the first link in the video to get the best current deal right now on Shopify. Very important. And that's it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.